Well, look out.
Okay, so, hello everyone. Hello.
Time to find out what to... Leave that camera alone.
I'm not even touching it.
I had it the way I wanted it, son.
I didn't even touch it.
Gotta find out what's in this thing. I may be able to cut that with my bolt cutter. I doubt it. I don't have any big... Oh, crap, no. Cut that sucker. I got a dead battery and I just put that sucker in there. Oh. Ah, yeah. Well, look at all my damn batteries here. Whew. There it is. That was easy enough. Oh yeah. There's the tools in there. Holy crap. Well, shit, I should be putting this on camera. I always forget to take pictures of stuff when I need to. Mercy. Look here. I don't know what that is. I ain't interested in that. I'm interested. What is that? A punch set? Yeah. Hole punch. Got it. Square bit set. That looks like brass. That is brass. What brand is that thing? That's a Cobalt. That's a good ratchet. That's a 1/2 inch ratchet. Sure is. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another small ratchet. 7, 8, 9 wrenches. What that's a pin, I guess. Look at that. Alright, I can't get this thing open. Hold on, gotta put the camera down. Get this thing open. It says pour the cable on it. There we go. Well, looks like bit sets. That's what it is, a bunch of bits. And I left this damn thing on there. Couple of drill bits. So damn, come on, that rod, I dropped that damn rod. Still some other stuff. I don't know what that is. Some nuts and bolts, some gloves, big bolt of some kind. That other drawer down there, 4 wrenches. Oh, my aching back. Well, that was neat. Oh, I gotta sit down before I hurt myself. Lord have mercy. One day I'm going to stand up too long and I'm going to have to collapse right there on the ground till I get my strength back. That must be lower hip problems or something. I was actually hoping for more than that in there, but heck, I'll take what I can get. That was a pretty good score. I might even use that box now that I look at it. It don't look great, but I could use it. And it's got casters on it. So, maybe that's going to be a cheap life along with that other stuff. Whew, man. Hope I didn't hurt myself. Now why in the world didn't whoever owned that just go ahead and beat that off of there? Maybe it's a stolen box and they just wanted whatever was in the bottom. Because there's 4 drawers missing. There's 3 drawers in and look like 3 or 4 more that went in the bottom. Whew. I don't know if this is getting me or not. It's bright sun. I tell you, I need my canopy back. My daughter give me the devil if I went and bought another canopy. I paid $109 for that one when it was on sale. when that Hurricane Irma was coming through, I didn't feel right bothering with taking it down. Plus, I really didn't know how to go about taking it. I got it up all right. But the guy I gave it to, when he come over here, he was by himself, and now that I see how he done it, they're easy to take down. Yep, sure was. Well, anyway, that's the surprise package on the toolbox. I knew there was something in there. Cause that stuff was rattling around. It sounded like tools, but I wasn't getting my hopes up. I was getting my hopes up. I was hoping it was a lot better than it was, but you never have too many wrenches and stuff, though. Bad as my grandson did around here about cart and stuff. Come walking through here yesterday, and one of the butcher knives out of the kitchen was right in the path, stabbed into the ground, just sitting there. And I see my big, I call it snow shovel. I don't know if it's a snow shovel or not, but it's way over there almost to the fence. What he's got that over there for, I don't know. And there's a box he just brought out. There's something to do with a toy or something laying there. I don't put this crap down here. And I'm always getting fussed at because the hot yard's a mess. And I don't do 99% of it. It's that little wiry 9-year-old, soon to be 10. I gotta get me one of them sweeper magnets, you know, that's kind of on wheels, this big long wide one, and you roll it across the yard picking up stuff. I need to get one of them. Because I know there's screws and stuff all over the place out here. Okay. Back's quit hurting. Now, let me go back over here. So, I'm saying that was a pretty good waterproof sandpaper, some wires. Wonder where that rod went that unlocked out there. I don't see it. That looked like a stainless steel rod. This looks like brass. I'm gonna check that. And yeah, that rod went right down through there. And them doors, I don't know how you got them lined up, but yeah, okay. I ain't gonna complain. Looks good to me. Oh, crap. My next little tear down project is going to be that big sucker right there. That big flat screen TV. Just to see what's in it. And I might do them both at the same time. That small one down there too. And micro scrap them. And I think my next project is going to be taking that car starter. I got an automotive car starter out there. Looks like aluminum housing on it, but I've never have took one of them apart, and I just want to see what's in it and how much copper's there. Won't be a great amount, but I ain't on no time clock. Oh crap. You know what? I supposed to sent that to Chris last week, there at base. Would you believe that? I need to get that mail out to him today. Yeah, that's brass. Son of a bitch, I can't believe I got that. That's not procrastination. That's just plumb forgetting. I gotta get that mail. Son of a bitch. Sorry, Chris.